Am I the only one that didn't know relying solely on day trading is a recipe for failure? Let's dive into why making day trading your only income source is a bad idea. First up, income volatility. Unlike a steady paycheck, trading income fluctuates wildly. You could have a great month, but a few bad trades can erase weeks of profits. Imagine making $5,000 one month but losing $4,000 the next. How do you pay your bills consistently? Then there's the emotional pressure. When you rely on trading to cover rent, food, and bills, every decision feels like life or death. This pressure leads to fear, greed, and impulsive trades. And let's not forget the lack of a financial cushion. Losing streaks are inevitable, and without additional income or savings, you might end up blowing your account trying to recover. The market is unpredictable, and strategies that work today might fail tomorrow. Relying entirely on trading income leaves no room for error, so what can you do? Diversify your income. Keep a stable job, build passive income streams, and save a safety net of at least 12 months of living expenses before considering full-time trading. Day trading can be a great way to grow your wealth, but it's not meant to replace stable income right away. Build a strong financial foundation, stay disciplined, and trade smart. I'll see you in the next video. Now let's delve deeper into each of these points to understand why relying solely on day trading can be so perilous. First, let's talk more about income volatility. When you have a regular job, you can generally count on a steady paycheck. This consistency allows you to plan your finances, budget for expenses, and save for the future. However, with day trading, your income can swing dramatically from one month to the next. One month you might make a substantial profit, but the next month you could face significant losses. This unpredictability makes it incredibly challenging to manage your finances and meet your financial obligations consistently. Imagine the stress of not knowing whether you'll be able to pay your rent or mortgage, cover your utility bills, or afford groceries from one month to the next. This kind of financial instability can take a toll on your mental and emotional well-being. It's not just about the money, it's about the constant uncertainty and anxiety that comes with it. Moreover, the emotional pressure of relying solely on day trading for your income can be overwhelming. When your ability to pay for basic necessities like rent, food, and bills depends on your trading performance, every decision you make in the market feels like a high-stakes gamble. This pressure can lead to emotional trading where fear and greed drive your decisions rather than rational analysis. Emotional trading often results in impulsive and poorly thought-out trades, which can further exacerbate your financial instability. In addition to the emotional toll, there's the issue of not having a financial cushion. In any form of trading, losing streaks are inevitable. Even the most experienced traders go through periods where their strategies don't work as expected. Without additional sources of income or substantial savings, you might find yourself in a situation where you're forced to take on more risk to try to recover your losses. This can lead to a vicious cycle of increasing risk and mounting losses, ultimately resulting in a blown trading account. The market's unpredictability is another critical factor to consider. Trading strategies that work well in one market condition might fail miserably in another. Market dynamics are constantly changing, influenced by a myriad of factors such as economic data, geopolitical events, and market sentiment. Relying entirely on trading income leaves you vulnerable to these unpredictable shifts. There's no room for error, and even a small mistake can have significant financial consequences. So, what can you do to mitigate these risks? The key is to diversify your income sources. Instead of relying solely on day trading, consider keeping a stable job that provides a steady paycheck. This will give you a reliable source of income to cover your essential expenses. Additionally, explore other passive income streams, such as investing in real estate, dividend-paying stocks, or starting a side business. These additional income sources can provide a financial cushion and reduce the pressure on your trading performance. Building a safety net is also crucial. Aim to save at least 12 months worth of living expenses before considering full-time trading. This safety net will give you the financial security to weather losing streaks and market downturns without resorting to desperate measures. It will also provide peace of mind, allowing you to trade more rationally and make better decisions. Day trading can be a fantastic way to grow your wealth, but it's essential to approach it with a solid financial foundation. Don't rush into full-time trading without first ensuring that you have a stable income, diversified income streams, and a substantial safety net. By doing so, you'll be better equipped to handle the inherent risks and uncertainties of the market. In conclusion, while day trading can be a lucrative endeavor, relying on it as your sole source of income is fraught with risks. The income volatility, emotional pressure, lack of a financial cushion, and market unpredictability make it a challenging and stressful way to make a living. Instead, focus on building a strong financial foundation, diversifying your income sources, and saving a substantial safety net. This approach will not only provide financial stability but also allow you to trade with a clearer mind and a more disciplined strategy. I'll see you in the next video.